Hi children, welcome to social science class. See, this is the history unit 4 Delhi Sultanate book back exercise. First Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, Daz laid the foundation of Mamluk dynasty? The answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak laid the foundation of Mamluk dynasty. Second question, Qutbuddin Aibak shifted his capital to Delhi from dash. The answer is option A, Lahore. Third question, completed the construction of the Qutub Minar? The answer is option C, Iltutmish. Iltutmish completed the construction of the Qutub Minar. Fourth question, Daz laid the foundation of the city of Tughlaqabad near Delhi? The answer is Ghiasuddin. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, Daz was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty? The answer is Ghiasuddin. Ghiasuddin was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty. Second question, Muhammad bin Tughlaq shifted his capital from Delhi to dash. The answer is Devagiri. The Devagiri also known as Daulatabad. Third question, Daz patronized the famous Persian poet Amir Khusru? The answer is Balban. Balban patronized the famous Persian poet Amir Khusru. Fourth question, Quwwatul Islam Masjid in Delhi was built by dash. The Quwwatul Islam Masjid in Delhi was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Fifth question, the threat of Mongols under Genghis Khan to India was during the reign of dash. Reign of Iltutmish. Third Roman, match the following. First question, Toril Khan, he was the governor of Bengal. Alauddin was the governor of Kara. Baghlul Lodi, he was the Jalaluddin Yaqut. Razia, she was the governor of Sirhind. B, find out the correct pair. 1. Hoysala Devagiri. 2. Yadavas Dwarasamudra. 3. Kakatiyas Warangal. 4. Pallavas Madurai. Among the 4, option 3 is the correct pair, Kakatiyas Warangal. C question, find out the wrong statement. First one, after Ghori's death in 1206, his slave Qutbuddin Aibak proclaimed himself the ruler of the Turkish territories in India. Second one, Razia established the Department of Spies to gather intelligence about the conspirators and troublemakers against her rule. Third one, Balban built forts to guard his empire against the Mongol attack. Fourth one, Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur in the year of 1526. Among the 4, the second one is the wrong statement. Razia established the Department of Spies to gather intelligence about the conspirators and the troublemakers against her rule. This is the wrong. Fourth Roman, state true or false. First question, Qutbuddin Aibak died of a mysterious fever. This is false because Qutbuddin Aibak died of a injury while playing the polo game. Okay. Second one, Razia was an able and brave fighter. This is true. Third one, the Turkish nobles chose Iltutmish, son of Aibak, as sultan after the death of Aibak. This is false because Iltutmish was a son-in-law of Aibak, but they are giving son of Aibak. This is false. Fourth question, Firoz Shah Tughlaq refused to accept an invitation from a Bahmani prince to intervene in the affairs of the Deccan. This is true. Fifth Roman, match the statement with the reason. Tick the appropriate answer. Assertion A, Balban maintained a cordial relationship with Mongols. Reason A, the Mongols ruler, a grandson of Genghis Khan, assured that Mongols would not advance beyond Sutlej. The answer is option A, or is the correct explanation of A. Sixth Roman, answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. First question, name the land granted to army officials in lieu of a regular wage. The answer is Igda. Igda is the land granted to army officials in lieu of a regular wage. Second question, who founded the city of Agra? The answer is Sikandar Lodi founded the city of Agra. Third question, name the ruler who established Muslim rule in India in 12th century AD. Muslim rule in India was established by Muhammad Ghori in the 12th century AD. Fourth question, write a note on Chagalgani. In order to counter the possible attack of the Mongols, Iltutmish organized Turkish nobility into a select group of 40 nobles known as Chagalgani or the 40. Fifth question, how did Alauddin Khilji consolidate the Delhi Sultanate? The range of Khilji conquest is impressive in Punjab against the Mongols, in Rajasthan and in Gujarat. With his northern frontiers secure, he sent his chief lieutenant Malik Kafur into the southern parts, who took even the distant Madurai. Thus Alauddin Khilji consolidated the Delhi Sultanate. Thank you, children.